let us begin with the word management in your business studies. Okay, first chapter we are going to start with, that is nature and significance of management. Now let us understand the meaning of management. The word management, if you write this management and if you are going to divide that word itself, means managing a men tactfully. When you understand managing, you understand tactfully means the way you want. So basically the management is process of getting things done by others for achieving group goals or organizational goals effectively and efficiently. Okay, so when I say this definition of management can be defined as a process of getting things done by others with an aim of achieving the goals of the organization effectively and efficiently. So if you see here, there is a word process. Process here means that it includes a series of activity. Management is not only a single thing. We need to plan, we need to organize, we need to staff, we need to direct them. So that is why it is a process of getting things done by others. That means in a management you don't have to do, you need to make others to work for you for achieving organizational goals. Of course, when we are doing some work, we need to have a certain goals, and that is effectively and efficiently. Now in this thing, let us understand that what effectively and efficiently means, or what is the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. See, when we talk about an effectiveness is always related to achieving the targets. Okay, and when I say efficiency, it means attaining the target or achieving the target, maximum target, or whatever the standard target is given to you at a minimum cost. So basically here we focus on least wastage of time, energy and cost. Cost here means money and material. Okay, so maximum output with minimum cost is the main focus for your efficiency. And when we talk about effectiveness, it is only related to achieving targets or standard targets that is being given to you. So effectiveness means doing right things, and efficiency here means doing things right. Okay, let us understand with the help of this example. Say for example, here an organization X is said to be an organization which has set a standard target of 20,000 units. Okay, this is 20,000 units at a cost of 200 per unit per day. So this is a target given to the different teams, and there are team A, B and C. So if you will see here, team A achieves the target of 20,000 units, but the cost here is said to be 220. That means the target given to the cost that has standard cost that has been given to you is 200, but this team A achieved that target at a higher cost. So this particular team A considered as effective. They achieved the target, okay fine, but not with the cost. So here the efficiency is missing. So in this case, organization or a team A achieved the target effectively but not efficiently. Second, team B says that in case of team B, they achieved only 19,000 units. They produced only 19,000 units at a cost of 200. So here they are efficient. They managed with the cost, but they are not effective. Means that target that has been given to them has not been achieved. Now team C here, who achieved 200 units at a cost of 20,000 units at the cost of 200 units per unit. So this team C considered as efficient and effective both. So we need to have a proper balance of effectiveness and efficiency. Companies sometimes agrees to compromise on efficiency, sometimes they compromise on effectiveness too, but that depends the conditions, that depends the urgency or the priority of the organization. So this is what the effectiveness means. Effectiveness here means achieving targets on time and with a proper cost, and efficiency here means achieving targets with a minimum cost. Okay, or what is the standard, whatever the standard cost is being given to you. So that is what the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. Clear? So again, management is a process of getting things done by others for achieving goals of the organization with effectiveness and efficiency. Okay, so this is what the definition of management means. In the next class, we are going to take up the features of management.